Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
Hi, looking for a residential property? You got to keep three things in mind. Location, location, location. We have all under one roof at 10 Marina Bay, Sector 10, Plot number 10, Vashi. Why settle for less? Live life limitless.
The extravaganza of Shaadi by Marriott at 4 Points by Sheraton, Navi Mumbai Vashi gets bigger and even this year. The event that showcases Marriott's commitment of creating a wedding experience that is superlative and unforgettable in every way, from conception to execution, is back for the second year. 4 Points by Sheraton, operated by Marriott International, has planned the event to show how it goes the extra mile to host a beautiful wedding that one hasn't imagined as possible to make the special day even more special. Their experienced in-house wedding specialists and their team of culinary experts have planned to deck up the entire hotel to ensure there are celebrations all around, complete with cuisine from various regions of India and also world cuisine. With already a great response received from those wanting to attend, no stone is being left unturned for the event that kicks off on Friday, October 29, informs the team of 4 Points by Sheraton, explaining what makes the event different and exclusive.
So Shaadi by Marriott is an initiative which is taken from Marriott International, and from there at our property 4 Points by Sheraton we take it ahead from here. After the first success which we did in 2019, we have come back again at 4 Points by Vashi, the wedding exhibition fair which is happening tomorrow. It is the biggest wedding of the season and the most pride affair. We will go an extra mile further to host you a beautiful wedding you have never imagined. So our experienced in-house wedding specialists will assist you and ensure that every need of the bride, groom and the guest is taken care of. Our team of culinary experts will craft personalized menus that are authentic, intuitive and exactly what you wanted. So see you there tomorrow. Looking forward to each and everyone to welcome you at 4 Points by Vashi, Navi Mumbai. I was also looking at the pre-COVID and post-COVID protocols in Vashi, Navi Mumbai, and overall we want people to come back and experience our food and enjoy their weddings at our hotel.
So this Shaadi by Marriott is very close to people's hearts. It happens once in a lifetime. People get married, and it's a very good time to everybody in the family is very happy. So we want to showcase all these things, and we want to bring this experience in their life, that how we are doing this event to make sure it is a success, it is a memorable, and it is a good experience in 4 Points Sheraton. So this is, and in this kind of event we are doing different cuisines. We have a different setup. We have a different variety of food, from the different cuisines to Indian. We are doing from India, China, continental and Italian. Every type of food is there. Plus we also do in this kind of ceremony Bengali counter, Gujarati counter, you can say South Indian counter, Maharashtrian counter, and plus the street food of India. These also we showcase in this event, because we have a very good skilled people in our hotel, and people who book the hotels for these kind of events, few people comes from South, some are from Maharashtra, some are from Bengali. So when the discussion happens, the flow of event happens, everything happens, then they come to food. And the food, obviously, people, if the people are from South India, obviously they will prefer South Indian food. People are from Maharashtra, they will prefer Maharashtrian food. So these kind of things also. So we have a different counters of these cuisines, and we are showcasing this also. And we make sure that food from entry to the banquet hall and the event, it goes very well and very successful. This time we have done differently, because last time जो हमने किया था, it was in the coffee shop only. We wanted to see how the response is, but last time से ज़्यादा बहुत ही अच्छा जब हमने last time किया था. So whatever we did in last time, so it was a very good response. We got a very good business this thing deal also after doing this Shaadi by Marriott, because we invite people to see how we are doing it, how differently we are doing from the market. So it was a very good response. So that's why we are doing in the whole hotel. So we have decorate whole hotel from top to bottom. Even the restaurants, our banquets, Sky Grill. Sky Grill is our open bar and restaurant. So bar we are not. So and attached to the swimming pool. So everywhere we have decorated and make sure that it is a huge success. So this will also we have a very good bookings and all. And people are still calling us for the booking, and even we have invited more, and people are checking. So we are almost around more than 300 we have already reached the numbers of people who are going to come to see tomorrow. ये हम लोग 2 साल से कर रहे हैं. लास्ट ईयर हमने इसको इनिशिएट किया शादी बाय मैरियट, और इस बार ये दूसरी बार होने जा रहा है. तो इस बार ये पहले से भी और ज्यादा हम बड़े लेवल पे कर रहे हैं इसको. दिस इज एक्चुअली अ प्रोग्राम एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली अ इवेंट. दिस इज इनिशिएटेड बाय Marriott, and this is called, that's why it's called Shadi by Marriott. So every Marriott do this kind of event to get to know more, to make sure that people are going to be more knowledgeable about this event, that how Marriott is doing shadi and weddings in the hotel. So this is how it came across, and last year also did, and this time also. This is the second time we are doing in this property. Response बहुत ही अच्छा मिल रहा है, और पिछले टाइम का जो रिस्पांस था वो बहुत ही अच्छा था, इसलिए हमको ज़्यादा इस बार करने में और ज़्यादा थोड़े हम एक्साइटेड हैं इसको करने के लिए. और यस, मुझे लगता है कि इस बार भी बहुत ही अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि जो हमने इनवाइट्स भेजे हैं उससे लोग उसके बाद भी चेक कर रहे हैं कि और हमको भी बुकिंग चाहिए. प्लीज़ अपने गेस्ट लिस्ट में वो लोग भी अपना नाम डलवा रहे हैं. तो जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि 300 से ऑलरेडी क्रॉस हो चुका है, और कल तक तो मुझे लगता है कि 500-600 तक पहुंच जाएगा. ये हम कर रहे हैं. स्पेशल डे टुमारो इज 29, 30 and 31st वी आर डूइंग. सो 29 इज द मेन डे, एंड देन एक दिन का ही आप समझ लें, लेकिन दूसरे दिन भी हम 2 दिन का ब्रंच है, सैटरडे और संडे, तो उसमें भी हम थोड़ा शोकेस करेंगे इसको.
So get set for an out-of-the-world experience that Shadi by Marriott offers. The experience that lasts over a lifetime. From Navi Mumbai with video journalist Sumit Renose, Priya Bhojbal and Shanvas Jeddi, Awaaz Today.
Subscribe to Awaaz Today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.